Oh! Oh! Welcome back, guys, to another video from an incredibly sunny Koh Phi Phi. It has been rainy, it's been grey. You'll see in our previous vlog from our all-day boat tour, it wasn't bad, but could have been a lot better. We got a little bit of sun. And then yesterday, we had the mother of all storms, which lasted for about an hour and a half. And today, because Adam and Yaz have incredibly itchy feet, we are already leaving this part of the island and heading further south to Phi Phi Long Beach, which is going to be a little bit less relaxed, I would say.
Yeah, it's more touristy there, isn't it?
And we're going to hopefully go to Monkey Beach tomorrow, so definitely stay tuned for that. Okay guys, we have got Wild Irish Wanderer, aka Kevin. We've got Chai, manager of the resort, aka the greatest legend that ever lived. And you are?
Oh, I'm Yaz.
Oh yeah, that's right. And this is the best bowl of pasta I've ever had outside of Italy. Another dish down. Shame about the view. Okay, lunch all done. Time to head back to the room, grab our baggage, then head up on our speedboat. Wasn't a near-death experience that time. Felt great. 10 minutes straight to Tonsai Pier. Oh god, there's a Burger King. Haven't seen one of those for about 3 weeks. Okay, so we just paid 20 baht each to get into Phi Phi Island, even though we've been here for a week already. I'm not sure why we didn't pay it beforehand, but it's kind of like a tourist tax thing to help keep the island clean. Fair enough. It was so lovely and sunny earlier. What happened? Well, that didn't take very long. We managed to find another boat. Plenty of them lined up here. 100 baht per person. Lovely. Oh. Woo. There we go. Woo. How to get a big boat? That's sweating. Made it, all aboard. 3 of us.
We made it.
Why is it whenever we get on a boat it always clouds over?
I know. We need to stop getting on boats
now. We have made it to Phi Phi Long Beach Resort.
Yes, it looks beautiful. Guys, it's been such a long travel day.
Look at that backdrop.
It's been a whole 20 minutes. This place, it looks so nice. The beach is beautiful. We just need these to go away for a bit. I mean, not for a bit, for a long time.
We need to disembark.
Okay, bye. What's your bag?
Oh no, it's fine. All good.
Got this.
Oh. I could see you falling before it happened.
Kevo, your turn. Don't screw this up. He's at an advantage of his long legs. Oh, smooth.
Look at the state of this.
I'll wash that.
Backpacking what? Green!
Green. This is huge.
Wow.
So much space. So we have just popped all of our bags down and now I'm going to give you a tour of where we are staying. So starting off Here you have a huge space. I'm not really sure why, but it's huge. And then we've got what looks like a super king size bed. It's massive. And then 2 bedside tables. Up here we have an aircon unit, which we'll be using a lot. And around this side, look at this window. Wow, it's huge. Oh, and there's some bananas. Wow! Bananas there. Wow, that is so cool. Got a little bistro set there. Tea and coffee area. Hi. Here you have a cupboard. Oh my god, it's got robes. It's got robes. Here you have the bathroom. Pretty basic. That's all that you need. Really nice. And then toilet there. And a pretty big shower.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Good morning guys. So last night we took a stroll into the town area of Phi Phi and it was really nice. We just wanted to go and check it out, see what was there, see what kind of shops they had, what it looked like and how many people were around, and it was a really good time. We ended up strolling along the Tonsai Pier and we ended up going to this bar called Freedom Bar, and we had our first buckets and it was an experience that had to be had. It was really fun, and then things got a little bit out of hand. So we've woken up with semi-sore heads this morning. Needless to say, the last thing we should be getting on today is a boat.
A few moments later.
Okay. There we go. Finally, the weather is just... Look at it!
So we have taken a detour back to Secret Bay, and this time the sun is shining and it hits completely different. It is spectacular. The colours are unreal. So the next stop should be Monkey Beach. We shall see. We are approaching Monkey Beach. It's over there.
Alright, hey guys, no monkeying around.
Try not to.
Okay.
So it's not guaranteed that you're actually going to see the monkeys when you get on Monkey Beach. So hopefully, if we are lucky, we'll get to see some monkeys today.
So, not as many people as I thought they'd be here. It's pretty empty for the most part. We've got Monkey Bar, but so far, distinct lack of monkeys. Anything yet?
Well, we thought maybe there was a chance because someone was pointing up in the forest, but there was nothing there.
Well, this is a bust.
Well, we need to just give it some time, I think. But for now, whilst we wait, we just have to enjoy this absolute paradise.
Well, don't I look silly with the camera strapped to my wrist?
And me not bringing my sunglasses because I didn't want the monkeys to snatch them from me. When, do you know what I could really do with them right now? Aww.
Whoa! Hey, 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 hey. No monkeys, it should be called Crab Beach.
Just took a stroll down there and literally every single person like this. I mean, we're guilty of it too, but it's like, it's mad to see everyone like this. Photo, 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 photo. Enjoy the moment.
Kevo, what are we gonna do?
Swim, see some sea urchins.
Alright, sounds
In
good.
the water.
So we've taken out a bodyboard onto the water and we've done a fair bit of swimming and snorkeling. The sea life here is amazing. There's so many different kinds of fish. There's a massive like rainbow fish which is super colourful, which is really nice. We've got Kev at the back there. Look at the view, guys. Not a bad day at all. Whoa! Adam's attempt at getting on the boat. You can do it! You can do it! There we go.
Well, we've been here for 3 hours. No monkeys.
No monkeys.
Very disappointing. I haven't been this disappointed since they cancelled Big Bang Theory.
But you can't be too disappointed. Look where we are. Beautiful. And we've got Chris.
What say you, Captain Kevo? That says it all.
That's it.
Yeah.
Probably be covered in monkeys.
I thought we'd be covered in monkeys. It's fair enough. Oh well. Back to the boat! Oh my god. Hello.
So cool. Look there.
Whoa.
Hi.
Hello. Uh-oh. Are we in trouble?
Hello.
There's another one over there. Hi. Okay. And just back away. And more on the trees, look.
Hey, friend.
This is insane. I didn't think we were going to get to see monkeys today, and here they are.
We actually got to see monkeys.
Look at this guy.
Hey.
You're a big boy.
Hello.
Oh! Oh! He did not like that. Oh boy. He showed you his teeth.
Oh yeah.
What are you doing? Kevin, there's your man now.
Your man over there.
Your man. This is the best thing ever. They've stolen somebody's lunch. That's it, they're all sorted for lunch now.
Chicken, look.
He's literally eating chicken off the bone.
The balls in them.
Thank you, Monkey Bay. That has completely made up for the entire afternoon, hasn't it?
Oh, that was incredible.
And there's a Phi Phi Island top tip for you. If you go to Monkey Beach and there are no monkeys, just take a boat to Monkey Bay. Tons of them. Everywhere.
There's got to be at least 15 over there. And also, I didn't realise that monkeys could swim. It's the funniest things in their little head. It's like how I swim.
And on that note, thank you for watching another Adam and Yaz adventure. We'll see you in the next one.
Hope you enjoyed. Give it a like if you did. And